Greetings of love, peace, health, happiness, and prosperity. I'm Dr. Keela, and do you have a cold? Are you feeling a little underneath the weather? Well, I have the natural remedy for you. I'm going to show you how to make a tea that will knock that cold right on out and get you back into the healthy state that you're supposed to be in. So let me show you how to make it. Okay, for this tea, the recipe is 1 tablespoon of organic honey. You can also use raw honey, which is also better. You're going to need 2 to 3 inches of fresh ginger root, a half a lime or lemon. I like lime for some reason. It has a better taste to me, and it also has more health benefits, slightly more health benefits than lemon, but you can get lemon or lime. I choose to have lime here. About 3 to 4 inches of a cinnamon stick, a tea strainer as well as a grater. This is hot water, so this just came out the kettle. I don't fill it completely up, just 3/4 the way full, and this is hot water. So first thing we want to do is we want to peel the ginger root. Okay, and that's peeled. Okay, now we're going to grate it here. I love this grater because it catches the juice as well as the grated ginger in a nice container. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, and there is the juice, a little bit of juice and so is the grated ginger. And what we're going to do is get a shot glass, place that over the shot glass, and pour the juice in there first, and then the ginger root up there. Okay, so we want to make sure we get as much of the ginger in there as possible, because we're going to squeeze the juice out, okay? Alright, now while you have it in the shot glass, you're going to press the juice out. Okay. Clean my hands for a second. There. Fresh ginger root juice. So we go ahead and we pour that in, and we'll do the lemon last. The lime last. 1 tablespoon of honey. This is organic raw, it's not raw, organic honey. Oh, you see I'm straining to make sure I get all of that honey out. I want to make sure I get all of this honey out. This honey is very important to this regimen. Okay? And last, half of the lime. This is organic lime, by the way. I want to get all of that in there. You can use lemon, don't worry. Don't say, oh, I don't have a lime. Use lemon, you can use lemon, but do not use concentrated lemon or lime juice. Get the fresh. Stir it up. And go ahead and place the cinnamon stick in there and let it sit there for a minute or two, and then go ahead and enjoy. You can also add cayenne pepper if you want to. If you really want to get that cold out of your system, add some cayenne pepper and it'll be gone the next day. So let's go. This is really good. That lime, the lime really adds a nice flavor to it. Oh yeah. You drink this and the cold will be like, oh no, I'm dying. This is right here what you need. And listen, you only need 2 cups of this a day. And your cold shouldn't last no more than 2 to 3 days. So it depends on, your health status. But if you're in relatively decent health, 2 to 3 cups a day for 2 to 3 days, and you'll be great. You'll be back on your feet again. And if you want to pump it up, add some cayenne pepper to it, and you should knock it out in 24 hours, provided that you're hydrating yourself with a lot of water and eating vegetable soups. And make sure you put oregano and turmeric in there so it can build up your immune system. This is Dr. Keela. Thank you for looking at my video presentation on how to make a nice tea to knock out any kind of cold you have, okay? And I leave you as I approach you with the blessings of love, peace, health, happiness, and prosperity. Here's to your health.